Hi everyone, it's Amber from Sweet Am's Cookies. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make these polka dot pumpkin cookies with royal icing, roses, and chrysanthemums. Start out by drawing the sections of the pumpkin with an edible ink marker. This pumpkin cookie cutter and the marker are available in my shop. The link is in the description. Fill in every other section with light blue flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 3. I used royal blue and black to make this shade of blue. My flood consistency icing is 15 to 20 second count. You can learn more about it by taking my online class Royal Icing 101. The link is in the description. Use a scribe tool to help shape the icing. Pipe polka dots with white flood consistency icing and a tip 1, while the blue icing is still wet. Allow the icing to dry for at least 30 minutes. Fill in the other sections with the blue icing and pipe polka dots again. Attach a parchment paper square to a flower nail. Pipe roses with pink stiff consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 101. This color is rose pink with a little bit of golden yellow. Pipe a chrysanthemum with golden yellow stiff consistency icing and a decorating tip 59S. This is a small curved petal tip. Pipe the stem of the pumpkin using the golden yellow stiff consistency icing and tip 59S. Allow the cookies and the flowers to dry overnight. Paint the chrysanthemums with golden yellow and rose pink food coloring mixed with vodka. You can also use any flavor extract like vanilla, lemon, or almond. Paint the flowers so that the color is concentrated in the center. And then very lightly paint the outer petals. Paint the stem of the pumpkin with gold luster dust mixed with vodka. Again, you can use any flavor extract like vanilla, lemon, or almond. Use green stiff consistency icing and a leaf tip 352 to attach the flowers to the pumpkins. Pipe leaves around the flowers with the stiff green icing. And here are the finished cookies. If you have any suggestions for a design that you'd like to see me do in a future video, just let me know in the comments. And if you make any of these cookies, you can tag me at SweetAmsCookies so I can see what you made. Thanks for watching. Bye!